Objective Petrology, multiple choice questions with answers. These are collection from previous year's question papers, and these are useful for various competitive exams like CSIR, NET, GATE, GSI and other exams. Welcome to the set 3. Coming to the first question. Which one of the following is the correct composition of troctolite? This was the question asked in Assistant Geologist exam 2019. The choices are A. Olivine plus plagioclase, B. Olivine plus clinopyroxene, C. Clinopyroxene plus plagioclase, D. Clinopyroxene plus orthopyroxene. The correct answer is A. Olivine plus plagioclase. Coming to the second question. The degrees of freedom at a peritectic point in binary peritectic system will be. Choices are A. 3, B. 2, C. 1, D. 0. The correct answer is D. 0. Coming to the third question. Mineralogical composition of pulaskite rock is. Choices are A. Olivine, augite and calcic plagioclase, B. Antiparthite, aegirine and nepheline, C. Nepheline, plagioclase and quartz, D. Hypersthene, diapside and agate. The correct answer is B. Antiparthite, aegirine and nepheline. Coming to the fourth question. Which one of the following is a diagenetic process? Choices are A. Metamorphism, B. Dissolution, C. Deposition of sediments, D. Palingenesis. The correct answer is B. Dissolution. Coming to the fifth question. Which of the following are the lithologies of deltoic deposits? Choices are A. Siltstone, grave and claystone, B. Conglomerate, sandstone and mudstone, C. Shale, clay and limestone, and D. Limestone, dolomite and shale. The correct answer is B. Conglomerate, sandstone and mudstone are the lithologies of deltoic deposits. Coming to the sixth question. Which one of the following is not a clastic rock? Choices are A. Sandstone, B. Shale, C. Limestone, D. Conglomerate. The correct answer is C. Limestone. Limestone is not a clastic rock. Coming to the seventh question. Which one of the following is a unidirectional paleocurrent indicator? Choices are A. Groove gas, B. Symmetrical ripples, C. Channel and score margins, and D. Crossbedding. So correct answer is D. Crossbedding. It is a unidirectional paleocurrent indicator. Coming to the eighth question. A geothermometer is based on which one of the following type of reactions? Choices are A. Net transfer reaction, B. Ion exchange reaction, C. Oxidation reaction, D. Dehydration reaction. The correct answer is B. Ion exchange reaction. So geothermometer is based on ion exchange reaction. Coming to the ninth question. What will be the AKF values of Fe3Al2 Si3O12? Choices are A. F75 A0 K25, B. F75 A25 K0, C. A75 F25 K0, and D. K75 F25 and A0. The correct answer is B. F75 A25 and K0. These will be the AKF values of Fe3Al2 Si3O12. Coming to the 10th question. Which one of the following rocks is the protolith for marble? Choices are A. Arenaceous rocks, B. Argillaceous rocks, C. Mafic rocks, D. Calcareous rocks. The correct answer is calcareous rocks. Coming to the 11th question. In a binary system, due to crystallization of magmatic melt at eutectic point, the texture formed is. So what will be the texture at eutectic point when the crystallization of the magma in a binary system? The choices are A. Porphyritic texture, B. Ophitic texture, C. Intergranular texture, D. Graphic texture. The correct answer is porphyritic texture. Coming to the 12th question. The magma of considerable viscosity injected into stratified rocks does not spread very far but tends to heap itself up about the eruption which resulted in the formation of. Choices are A. Phacolith, B. Laccolith, C. Batholith, and D. Dikes. The correct answer is B. Laccolith. So this will be in the form of a bun-shaped igneous rock. Coming to the 13th question. A rock composed entirely of crystals is said to be A. Holohyaline, B. Holocrystalline, C. Monocrystalline, D. Cryptocrystalline. The correct answer is B. Holocrystalline. Whereas holohyaline is when the rock is composed of entirely glassy. Coming to the 14th question. The process of transformation of glass to crystalline matter is known as. Choices are A. Devitrification, B. Recrystallization, C. Verification, D. Petrifaction. The correct answer is A. Devitrification. It is the process of transformation of glass into crystalline matter. 15th question. Which one of the following is the converse of the porphyritic texture? Choices are A. Peridiomorphic texture, B. Hypidiomorphic texture, C. Poikeltic texture, D. Felsitic texture. The correct answer is C. Poikeltic texture. Whereas these type of textures, like if you see peridiomorphic, this can be observed in lamp profiles, and hypidiomorphic texture, which is seen in granites. So here the converse of the porphyritic texture is the poikeltic texture. That means it is the opposite of the porphyritic. Coming to the 16th question. Rocks with consistent tectonic, metamorphic, magmatic and chronological features are typical of proterozoic terrains. These are referred as. Choices are A. Precambrian shield, B. Mobile belt, C. Tectonomorphic, D. Archean belt. The correct answer is A. Precambrian shield. Here you can see the rocks with very stable nature like tectonic, metamorphic, magmatic and chronological features which are very identical for the proterozoic terrains. Coming to the 17th question. The occurrence of similar mineral assemblage throughout the rocks of a similar bulk composition and exposed over a particular area of the metamorphic terrain is called. Choices are A. Metamorphic facies, B. Metamorphic zone, C. Metamorphism, D. Retrograde metamorphism. The correct answer is A. Metamorphic facies. So here facies means you can see the similar type of mineral assemblages which have definite or identical chemical composition and which are exposed over a particular duration, particular area of the metamorphic terrain. So this concept was proposed by Escola. Coming to the 18th question. Dacite is a. Choices are A. Calc-alkaline plutonic rock, B. Calc-alkaline volcanic rock, C. Oceanic alkaline rock, D. Oceanic tholeiitic basaltic rock. The correct answer is B. Calc-alkaline volcanic rock is known as a dacite. 19th question. Which one of the following minerals is classified as a doubly refracting spar? Choices are A. Fluorospar, B. Feldspar, C. Satin spar, D. Iceland spar. The correct answer is Iceland spar. It is a variety of calcite. 20th question. Corona or reaction texture is formed in forsterite of which silica system at. Choices are A. Eutectic point, B. Peritectic point, C. Liquidus, D. Solidus. The correct answer is B. Peritectic point. 21st question. During incongruent melting behavior, enstatite, it melts and gives rise to A. Forsterite and melt, B. Olivine and melt, C. Quartz and melt, D. Cristobalite and melt. The correct answer is A. Forsterite and melt. Forsterite is a variety of olivine. So 22nd question. What is the degree of the freedom at peritectic point? Choices are A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 0. The correct answer is D. 0. This is the degree of freedom at the peritectic point. 23rd question. Which of the following pairs of rock and classification are correct? That is, here you can see the type of rocks and their classification. Number 1. Granite, felsic oversaturated rock. Number 2. Anarthosite, it is a felsic saturated rock. Number 3. Nepheline cyanide, it is a felsic undersaturated rock. Number 4. Gabbro, felsic oversaturated rock. So among this, select the correct answer using the code which is given below. A. 1 and 2 only, that means only granite and anorthosite. B, 1, 2 and 3, that means granite, anorthosite and nepheline cyanide. C, 2, 3 and 4, like granite, anorthosite and nepheline cyanide. And D, 1 and 3 only, like granite and gabbro. So you have to identify the correct answer in this code. So the correct answer is B, 1, 2 and 3. Suppose if we take granite, it is a felsic oversaturated rock. You know, here it is a silica content will be more. And the second is anorthosite, it is a felsic saturated rock. And number 3, nepheline cyanide, it is a felsic undersaturated rock. Here the silica content is not satisfactory. That means not saturated, that is undersaturated rock. And if you take number 4, gabbro is a felsic oversaturated rock. It's not a felsic rock, it is a mafic rock, gabbro. So that's why here the correct answer is 1, 2 and 3. Coming to the 24th question. During magma solidification process, olivine reacts with the remaining melt to produce. So that means olivine reacts with the whatever the leftover melt and it produces what? Choices are A, anorthite, B, oligoclase, C, biotite and D, pyroxene. The correct answer is D, pyroxene. Olivine reacts with the remaining melt to produce the next mineral like it is a pyroxene. Coming to the 25th question. Which one of the following igneous rocks has the composition of granite and a predominance of large mineral crystals? That means you can see the grain size will be large, coarse grains. So A, basalt, B, rhyolite, C, gabbro, D, pegmatite. The correct answer is D, pegmatite. You can see the very large sized mineral crystals in the pegmatite. So here the answer is D, pegmatite. Hope you enjoyed these questions. Thank you.